Hello everyone. So very maulan. It's rainy today since in the morning. As you can see, yeah, I work there and I use my scooter going back home. And now I'm in the hilltop. So now this is the Nida Park here. And now I will try all my best to show you the way. Going back home now, my scooter is off. So I need to make it on again. I don't have chance to use my phone in the van since it's highway and too much cars. So now we will go with sports like this. And inshallah tomorrow. This is the way. This is me using my Hello Kitty. Look. And look at the way. I will try all my best until in my home to show you the way. Okay. It's going up. So every time na rainy, if it's rainy, you need to drive it slowly, not fast because it's very dangerous, slippery, very madulas-dulas ever. Look, this is the Nida Port here in Sirentepe. I'm using my hand only. I don't have a phone holder. I can't drive until in Levant. Until only in North Levant only. The shortcut way. It's very dangerous for me to do like this. They always say I'm a girl. It doesn't matter if I'm a girl. Yeah, am I right? I saw Avalanche is working I saw her because every day I'm buying at Migros bread, fruits for breakfast. Oh! There you go. Too much humps here and sometimes only the buses. You know this place? I don't know what this place is. Billboard. I'm just watching on my side mirror. Sometimes I run to the center high. Sometimes I feel yawash, abe, yawash. Oh my god, it's raining, Abiya. Allah, Allah. But I'm not angry, Abe. Just kidding only. I'm begging you. Vincent Gabriela. I'm running only 21. Normally, 35. So, we're very near to North Levant. Now we're in Sirentepe now. Oh. I wanna help Abby. I will have money, Abby. I will give you. I will share. It's better to give than to receive. It's really true. 102%. 101%. 100%. It's really, really good to refill. There are goats here, although easily get mud and angry, especially during traffic times. Even me, of course, especially where we were in hurry. Okay, tamang hugaman, goya. Okay. Go, go, go. Oh, I made a mistake. I'm using helmet, guys, because I don't want my face exposed, or not only exposed but also to wet yan. After I will take shower. Wow, my favorite color. Oh, a miracle. Today, no traffic. Here, normally traffic every day. Maybe because it's rainy and it's Saturday. Maybe. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too. 'Cause I know you'll never. Somebody else is waiting down for you. Maybe it's wrong to say. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too. Because I know you will never do. Wow. Not begging for love also. Mama. We're in a hurry, okay. We'll make fast. Oh, it's so... Wow. So this is 70 now outside the big highway. On the big highway now. And here, almost, you know. Almost in my place. My phones get locked. Oh, taxi, move, move. They won't stop. They won't stop. Wow, we're near to Dort Levent. Approaching Dort Levent. From Wadi Istanbul to Dort Levent to Levent. I'm so wet now, guys. My jacket is wet. My jacket is very, very wet. We are quite Her voice is so big. No. It's one way here, but since I just bike, maybe they will consider me. Every day I'm passing. Almost or almost like that. So there you go. We're in Dort 11 now. Dort 11. Oh, bus is coming. Thank you. Look at the place. Let's continue. We're in Dort 11 now, guys. Dort 11. So go on. Can you pass first before you? Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so scared. So we can do like this. Now we're in Dort 11. We need to go up from here. Slowly but surely. This is the Metro Dort 11. We're very near to my home. You see the QNB there. The building, the Dim Market. You see, this is the Dort 11. That is the second metro station. And the first one is in front of Sapphire. The second mall. That's it. Cafe resident. Yusuf Coffee in the town of this part of this mall. Sapphire. And how about me? Now we're going to pass here. So good, right? So this is the end of my video, and since I'm very new to my home, I need to stop it. This is a Dort 11.